Today we are discussing about programming language Kotlin. Kotlin is a programming language, modern, trending, released in 2016 by JetBeans. Kotlin is now I am covering few features of the Kotlin programming language. Kotlin is a statically typed object-oriented programming. It is an open source that supports both object-oriented and functional programming, and it is fully compatible with Java, works on different platforms, and use, easy to learn, and free to use. Relevance of Kotlin in mobile app development. It has become increasingly relevant in modern mobile app development for several reasons. It was first released and endorsed by Google as first-class language for Android development in 2017. This endorsement has led to widespread adoption of strong community support. Google's backing ensures that Kotlin is well integrated with Android Studio and Android SDK. Kotlin is fully interporable with Java, meaning you can gradually migrate existing Java projects to Kotlin without needing a complete rewrite. This is particularly valuable for maintaining and modernizing legacy code bases. Kotlin introduces modern programming features such as null safety, coroutines, higher order functions, and lambdas. Overview of what we are going to discuss in this video. Kotlin, data types and variables, operators and control structures, nullable versus non-nullable variables. Data types and variables. In Kotlin, data types are used to define the values that can be stored and manipulated. Basic numeric types: byte, short, int, long, float, char, string. Here is the demonstration of each data type. Byte value, int value, float value, char, boolean, string, and nullable. We'll discuss this. Array value. Handling data types. Kotlin offers several unique features and design choices of handling data types compared to other programming languages, such as null safety. Its system is designed to eliminate the risk of null pointer exceptions by default. Types cannot hold null values. To declare a nullable value, you adapt question mark to the string. Kotlin's compiler enforces checks to ensure that the nullable types are handled safely. Type interference in Kotlin. Kotlin uses type interference to determine the type of variable based on its initializer. For example, variable name Kotlin. Primitive versus objective types. Kotlin does not separate primitive types and their objective wrappers. For instance, int in Kotlin is always an object type, but it's optimized to avoid performance overhead typically associated with boxing and unboxing. Infers with the name is of type string. Variables in Kotlin. Difference between val and var. Immutable reference. Variables declared with val are read only after they are initialized. Once assigned, you cannot reassign a different value to the val variable. Initialization required. A val must be initialized to the point of declaration or in the constructor of a class. You cannot leave it uninitialized. Val number in 20. Val is equal to variable. Mutable variables declared in the var can be reassigned to different values after their initial reassignment. This makes var suitable for variables whose values need to change. Initialization required. Similar to val, a var must be initialized at the point of declaration or in the constructor of a class. In the next video, we will discuss about operating and control structures of the Kotlin language.